The Blade battery manufactured by Chinese electric vehicle maker BYD has been delivered to Tesla's factory in Berlin, Germany very recently. The first plant in which Tesla is using BYD's new battery. It is expected that Tesla vehicles equipped with BYD's Blade battery can be rolled off the assembly line within a month at the earliest. The Chinese media outlet also learned from other sources that the Shanghai Gigafactory, which has received much attention, has no plans to use BYD's batteries for the time being. At present, Tesla's Berlin factory mainly produces the Model Y, which means that BYD's Blade battery will be installed in those vehicles first, but perhaps not all. Tesla also trial produced the Model Y with the 4680 battery pack in Berlin. There are also rumors of cooperation between the two parties, which can be traced back to August 2021 at the earliest. At that time, some media reported that BYD would supply Tesla with the Blade battery in the second quarter of 2022. But the news was never confirmed by either party at that time. Before BYD, Tesla's battery suppliers include LG from South Korea, Panasonic from Japan, and CALT from China. Tesla's power batteries in China and the Asia Pacific market have been mainly supplied by CALT, and a small portion was supplied by LG. In April 2021, BYD announced that all pure EV models would be replaced with the Blade battery. So, BYD's Blade batteries were mainly used on its own vehicles. Only a small number of Blade batteries were supplied extremely to China, FAW, Chang'an Automobile, Toyota, Zhongtong Bus, and other car companies. Dear viewers, my previous riddle was, I can fill a room quickly but take no space. What am I? Its answer is light. It is important to note that Tesla has highest selling premium SUV in Europe, and Tesla starts to ramp up production over the next few months. Elon Musk said they have got a 5x production by the end of the year 2022. Recently, BYD has seen its own sales volume surpass those of Tesla in the first half of 2022. According to BYD's financial report, in the first 6 months of this year, it sold 641,400 new energy vehicles, a year-on-year increase of 314.9%, exceeding Tesla's global sales of 564,000 vehicles. BYD's sales volume exceeds Tesla. Maybe it is only because BYD's Blade battery, because these Blade batteries are really good batteries, and they are the kind of battery technology that it really is a benefit to consumers in the long run. After getting benefit from the surge in automobiles sales, BYD once surpassed Panasonic and other established battery manufacturers in the power battery business, and has even managed to overtake LG Energy Solution and CALT in the ferrous lithium phosphate market. Thanks for watching my video.